Hello there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. You guys love watching them and I absolutely love filming them, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to be opening up some of my PR packages from the last week. We're going to do swatches, we're going to talk about them in the comment section, and yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Really quickly before we get started, make sure that you guys do subscribe down below. Also make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every single time that I upload. I'm uploading 5 days a week now. We got a lot of content coming at you, so make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out. And let's get started with some of these packages. Hi everybody and welcome back to another unboxing. I swear every time I do these videos I'm like, it's Friday already? Where did my week go? I swear. So the first box I have here is from Motive Cosmetics, and we have a ton of really great products in here. I already peeked. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this on my Insta stories because I was so excited I had to see what was inside. So the first thing is this palette. This is the Bloom palette, so it's an eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's so cute. So here is the inside. Let me swatch it for you guys. I have already swatched it because I was just too excited, so I had to. But these shimmers in this palette absolutely look gorgeous, especially this purple shade. I want to use it like right now, and I'm going to probably tomorrow. So here is the swatches of the palette. Isn't that purple absolutely gorgeous? Absolutely love the gold as well. So pretty. This is definitely like a summery palette and I like that about it. And also in here we have a facial cleanser. So it says to use day and night to help cleanse your skin. And then we have these. So I'm really excited about this. So this is a facial sponge set. So these are actual sponges that are meant for skincare. So they're meant to help remove your makeup. And I was reading on the back here like how to use them. So they're supposed to just help like exfoliate and helps cleanse your skin, and then you can like reuse them, so that's really cool. And then the last thing in here is this highlight. So this is the Halo highlight. It says pressed blush, but obviously this isn't a blush shade, and I don't know who that would be a blush shade on, so I'm sure it's meant to be a highlighter. And when I did swatch it before, like it definitely has, you know, flecks of glitter and everything in it, so it's definitely a highlighter. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It kind of has like a golden kind of yellowy tint to it. It's definitely very pretty, but it's kind of, I don't know, it's like a different shade because it has like that tint of yellow, which might be really pretty, especially on tan. Like when I'm tanning, obviously I've been tanning, but I feel like it's super pretty on like, you know, more medium skin tone. So that's gonna be really pretty. And this eyeshadow palette, gorgeous. So thank you so much to Motive Cosmetics for sending over that package. So the next box I have here came from Benefit, and this is their Hello Happy foundation. If you guys haven't seen, I actually put up a full review on this foundation. I was too excited, I had to use it. So I've only used it a few times since then, but I do actually really like it. If you guys haven't checked out my review and you want to, I'll link it up in the cards. So this is their Hello Happy Soft Blur foundation. They did send me over 4 different shades. I've been using shade number 3. So they also sent me over 4, 5, and 6. So I'm gonna throw those in probably a giveaway for you guys so you guys can use them too. I might actually try out 4 though, because I am self-tanned right now. You guys can tell my hands are orange. And 3 was when I wasn't self-tanned. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably keep the 4, but the 5 and the 6 I can probably gift to one of you guys. And then also in here, this is so cute. They had like these little sunnies and they say Hello Happy and Benefit on the side. And they're just like little heart sunnies. You can see my ring light in them, but how cute are these? I think they're so fun. I'm totally gonna take like a picture with these because I feel like you have to. These are just adorable. Next package I am opening came over from LUMINESS. So it says Blot+Translucent powder. So let's see what is in here. There's like 2 different things in here. Okay, so 2 different packages. I think that this is the same thing. So it says Blotting plus Translucent powder, individual packed applicators with makeup. Absorbs excess oil and shine. Touch up on the go easily. Set and reset your makeup. So it's 2 little packages, and I'm not sure how many is in here. Let's see. Okay, so there's 5 different ones in here. Let me open this up so we can see what they actually look like. I think it's just 2 of the same like packages. I'm not someone that typically gets very oily throughout the day, so this isn't something that I necessarily will need. But sometimes, you know, you're outside and if you're in the heat and stuff, that can be something that I can struggle with, but most of the time my skin is very dry. So here it is, directions: pull out of the tray and the applicator from the package, gently shake the excess into tray using a blotting motion, apply translucent powder all over to your face as needed. So this is cool. So it's just like an individual little wrapped blotting paper. So this will be perfect just to like throw in your purse or your clutch or your backpack or wherever you need it. I'm gonna actually probably gift these to my friend because she's always telling me how her makeup is just like disappearing and how she needs it throughout the day. So I think this will probably really help her. It's a really cool idea that these are packaged like individually like that and that they come in like packs. I feel like these will be super helpful. So if you guys are someone who deals with oily skin or you just need an extra touch up throughout the day, this would definitely be something I would look into. I'm gonna have them linked down below as long as I can find them. I keep getting weirded out because I actually haven't worn my hair up since I got my hair extensions. So I keep like staring at myself in the mirror like I look so weird. So if you guys think I look weird, it's probably why, because I've had my hair down now for weeks. Actually, since I got my extensions, I haven't worn my hair up. So the first day that I was like, I'm gonna just put it in a bun. And although it does look cute, it fits nice in the little bun, I still feel weird. Speaking of having my hair down all the time, the next package came from Biosilk and Octoly. If you guys do not know what Octoly is, it is basically a site where you can sign up to review different products. And I was really excited to see this pop up. So this is the 1.5 titanium curling iron. This is not a wand, this is an iron, which I was really excited about because a lot of the curling products I have right now are wands. And I don't know if you guys can tell like how my self tanner is like all patchy right here. It's because this is like burnt skin and it just like attaches to the burnt skin. So I've been burning myself a lot on my wands is what I'm trying to get at. So I'm excited to have one that actually has like the clamp and everything. So hopefully that will help me in my hair curling journey. And then also inside of here, there is this finishing spray. This is a natural hold finishing spray. So I think that this is like a hairspray. This is a massive bottle. And then also there is this thermal heat protectant mist. So we can use that to protect for the heat. And then also in here, there is a silk therapy. This is like a little serum. I think you would apply like on your ends. Yes, so like the end of your, like to the ends of your hair, to help kind of give it a little more shine. So lots of products from them to try out with this curling iron. So thank you to them. Hopefully this will help me in my journey with my hair, because when you guys have, like when I haven't curled my hair for so long and I've had the short hair for like a while now, I'm just not used to curling it. So I'm trying to like teach myself to be better at curling my hair. It sounds like such a simple task, but I swear it's like a whole learning curve. So hopefully that will help me out. Thank you to them and to Octoly for that package. The next box I'm getting into came over from Coola. They have some amazing SPF products. They have a setting spray that I really, really like that has SPF in it. And also, I really like their BB cream. There's quite a few products from them that I enjoy. So it says this is a brand new Sephora exclusive. And this is their Ocean Salted Sage Scalp and Hair Mist. So this has SPF 30 in it. So this is going to be for your scalp. I actually, story time really quick, I actually got burnt really, really bad. It was about 3 years ago. And I remember I was just like red, like tomato red. And I got burnt really bad on my scalp. And it was so painful, like absolutely horrible. And I actually, ever since then, have been putting kind of sunscreen there. Like I'll put it on my face and then I'll just go right there. So this is the Ocean Salt and Sage Scalp. So this is kind of cool because it's actually meant for that. So you're just gonna mist it really quick on your scalp, and it has the SPF 30 in it. So that's awesome. And then in here, there are a few other products. So we have, ooh, this one is the SPF 50. So this is the Sport Guava Mango Sunscreen Spray. I'm gonna use this actually probably tomorrow. Ooh, it says 80 minutes too, so that's a good like wear time. And it is water resistant. I have been working a bunch in my yard. If you guys don't know, we are redoing my entire yard, and I've been outside a bunch. I have been self-tanning, as you can tell, but I also have been outside a bunch, and I've been definitely putting on my sunscreen because I've gotten burnt one too many times to where I've learned my lesson, so I'll definitely be putting this on. Also, my husband, he always gets burnt too, so I'll have him put that on as well. And then in here we have a Liplux. This is an organic formula SPF lip product. So this has 30 SPF in it, and that's always good because sometimes your lips can get burnt as well. I really like Coola because I feel like their products are, they're very innovative, and they also like smell nice, and they're just a lot of SPF products that, you know, they are sold at Sephora. So I think that that's really great that they're kind of spreading the message to, you know, protect your skin. And I like that they have so many different products that have SPF that are tailored towards one area, you know, like they have a setting spray, and I love that they have the lip product and that hair mist. Like, it's just really cool, and I think that that's awesome that they're doing that. Also, when I was at Gen Beauty, I got to hear the story from the founder of Coola, and it's just he has a really amazing story, and he went into like detail about why he started the brand, and it's just really cool. So if you guys have a chance to kind of look into the brand Coola, I highly suggest you check them out. And our very last box this week came over from Double Dare. So they sent over, how cool is this? Hey fan. Isn't this cool? So this is like a little fan that you can use when you're using their mask, and it has the OMG mask on here. It says Double Dare, and then it has a picture of the purple mask, which is my favorite one. So they did send over 2 different purple masks. I actually already used one because I love these so much, and I've been out of them for a while. So when they sent this over, I was like, yes, I'm putting that on my face. So this is the Platinum Purple Facial Peel Mask Kit. So it has like a bubble mask, which I really like because it's a quick bubble mask. Like, it only takes like 3 minutes for the bubbles to pop up on your face, and then you just take it off. It feels so nice. And then you have the peel mask, which is the purple, and then you have like the little serum pad, which is just gonna help remove all of the excess like mask that didn't get off your face. So they did send over 2 of these, and I already used one of them, and I think it's really cool that they have the fan. Like, how fun. And then if you guys don't know, they have like the little OMG headbands. They're just so fun. I love their products, and I like the way they feel on my skin. I've been trying out a bunch of their cleansers and other things from them as well, and I just really enjoy their skincare, and they're such fun things to use. Like, honestly, the headbands are so cute, and the peel masks are just fun to use. Like, who doesn't want to use a purple mask? Like, it's just so fun. All right, guys, and that's going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and getting through some of these packages with me. Of course, thank you to the brands for sending them over, and thank you to you guys for continuing to watch these videos and for showing me so much support. I appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to also subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you in Monday's video. Bye, friends.